If you need a word when things go horrible and bad, this is for you. Master Azerbaijani word of the day has Bərbad. Bərbad. Bərbad is terrible, awful, ruined, a terrible day, awful service, ruined road. Let's see what do they mean in Azerbaijani. Bərbad gün. Like when you're having a terrible, horrible day, you can say Bərbad gün. When you're having bad, awful service, you can say Bərbad xidmət. Or when you're driving on the road that is ruined in a terrible condition, you can say Bərbad yol. See, when you say Bərbad, you write it Bərbad, but you will often hear it Bərbad. Bərbad is the end as if D turns into T sound. Now, time to use it in some sentences. Bugün berbat keçdi. Did you notice something else? Let's first see the translation. Today was awful. Watch. You see, keçdi. What did I say? Bugün berbat keçdi. That's if you want to sound native. You don't have to say keçdi. Although you can say, he will sound like TV hosts. But you can say bugün berbat keçdi. Now, bugün we know today berbat keçdi was spent past basically. But the best translation would be today was awful. Let's use another one. Restoranda xidmət bərbad idi. I'm going to give you another tip of saying this sentence as natives. But let's first see the translation. The service at the restaurant was terrible. Now, restoran is a loan word, restaurant. We have it restoran. We write as restoran. We say restaran. There's another one. Watch. Restoranda xidmət bərbad idi. İdi. Instead of idi, I said. That's for smooth pronunciation. If you want to sound like native, you can say it like that too. Now, xidmət is service at the restaurant. Restoranda, at the. Bərbad idi was terrible. Bərbad idi. Or if you want to sound native. That was my way of using bərbad in Azerbaijani phrases and sentences. I have an easier one for you to retain the word. Let's see. If his luck were a movie, the reviewers would just say Bərbad. That's one of my dad jokes. That was today's word. Make sure you come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, masterofvirginia.com is there for you guys. Cheers.